Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Orwell, or 17 miles north of Warren, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kingsman, Andover, Linesville, Harmonsburg, Adamsville, Pymatuning North, Pymatuning Central, Atlantic, Mecca, Johnston, Cherry Valley, Conneaut Lake, Jamestown, Conneaut Lakeshore, Geneva and Hartstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Weather Bulletin.